Good morning. It has spread all over the world and killing more than 25 million people throughout the world. Okay, now how do it spread? Means the methods of spread of the disease are: number one, it spreads due to multiple partnership, that is unsafe sexual act. Second is blood transfusion. If infected blood is transfused from the infected person to the healthy person. And third is from the infected mother to the child. And fourth is from the infected needles. So these are the four different methods, that is from the because of our multiple partnership यानी कि unsafe sex. Second is from infected needles, from infected blood, and from infected mother to the child. Now, who are there in the more risk? Those are having multiple partnership. Second, that are drug addicts, because they are using the syringes, so that they may become these syringes may become the cause of the spread of the disease. And the child who is born from the infected mother, or those are having the multiple blood transfusion, these persons are there at more risk. Now next is that whether this disease is spread by touch or by physical contact. Simple physical contact, no. So that this disease never spread by touch, rather it spreads by the means which we have discussed just now. So that the separating the person who is suffering from AIDS from the society is not suggested. Rather, the medical person and society, if come together, then an early diagnosis of the disease is there, then the treatment of the patient suffering from AIDS is also possible. Okay, now we are coming to the causing agent. The causing agent of the disease is a RNA virus, which is a HIV virus, human immunodeficiency virus. Okay, the virus which causes the deficiency of immunity in human body. HIV virus, its genome is RNA covered by a protein. A simple type of virus is there. Okay, now we are coming to the life cycle, which I am going to show you in the book also. This virus actually enters to our body by sexual contacts, or by blood transfusion, by unhealthy person to the healthy person, or by the needles, infected needles, or from infected mother to the child. If by any of the means, if the virus has entered to the body of a healthy person, it will attack to the cells of the immune system, that is macrophages. Then it will form its DNA there, because its genome is RNA. By the process of reverse transcription with the help of enzyme reverse transcriptase, the process of reverse transcription will be there. You know, transcription means from DNA to RNA, but here the reverse process is going on from RNA to DNA in the cytoplasm of the macrophages with the help of reverse transcriptase enzyme. Now this DNA of the virus will incorporate with the DNA of the macrophages and will direct the macrophages to form more virus RNAs, from more RNAs will be formed, and then these RNA will be covered by the protein coat inside the macrophages only by using the raw material of the cell, and that way many virus particles will be formed inside the macrophages. Then they will release from the same macrophage and will infect the another macrophages or T cells. That way, as it is attacking the T cell which provides the immunity to our body, so that the body will become susceptible to the various diseases. Very small infection may become into a severe disease. Like a common cold may convert into pneumonia, and body will become susceptible to various bacteria like mycobacterium, fungi and viruses, and parasite like toxoplasm, so that the disease will become severe. So that it is been told that ignorance should not be there. Don't die of ignorance. Awareness is very much required. Hiding the disease is not the solution. If the symptoms arise because after the exposure to the virus, the symptoms may arise after 4-5 months, or even after 5 to 10 years even it may take. But if any of the symptoms arise, low of immunity, low weight, or the infection to the various diseases, then early diagnosis or advice of the doctor is compulsory. So in the end we can say that with the mutual cooperation of the society and of the medical fraternity, the disease can be diagnosed easily and can be treated. And the test for this disease is a ELISA test, ELISA immunosorbent linked assay. That means by this test, if the virus is detected into the body, then the particular treatment for the AIDS disease is not yet there. But with simple medicine also it can be treated to some extent. So this is what it is there about the AIDS, which I am going to tell you in the next video in the book. Thank you.